Welcome to Budapest, Hungary, a city adorned by the majestic river Danube. Here, on its eastern bank, stands a testament to architectural brilliance and national pride, the Hungarian Parliament Building. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the fascinating facts and hidden secrets of this architectural masterpiece. From its towering spires to its intricate details, the Hungarian Parliament is a symphony in stone, a tribute to the rich history and enduring spirit of the Hungarian people. Join me as we delve into the heart of this iconic landmark and unravel the stories it holds. The story of the Hungarian Parliament Building begins in the late 19th century, a time of great transformation across Europe. Cities were expanding and new architectural styles were emerging, reflecting the optimism and progress of the era. The year was 1885 when the first stone was laid, marking the start of a monumental undertaking that would span nearly 2 decades. This ambitious project was not just about constructing a building, it was about creating a symbol of national pride and identity. Imagine, if you will, the bustling activity on the banks of the Danube as thousands of skilled craftsmen, laborers, and artisans converged, their collective efforts breathing life into Imre Steindl's grand vision. The air was filled with the sounds of hammers, chisels, and the murmur of voices, all working in unison towards a common goal. The Austro-Hungarian Empire was at its zenith, a melting pot of cultures and ambitions, and this building was to be a symbol of its newfound confidence and unity. The Parliament Building was designed to reflect the grandeur and diversity of the empire, incorporating elements from various architectural styles. Little did they know that the world, as they knew it, was on the brink of change, with the winds of the 20th century soon to reshape the political landscape of Europe. The Parliament Building would stand as a witness to these changes, enduring through times of turmoil and transformation, a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Hungarian people. The man behind this architectural marvel was Imre Steindl, a visionary architect who dedicated his life to creating a building that would capture the essence of Hungary. Born in 1839, Steindl was deeply influenced by the architectural movements of his time. His passion for architecture was evident from a young age, and he pursued his studies with unwavering dedication. Steindl's designs were a fusion of architectural styles, drawing inspiration from Gothic Revival, Renaissance, and even Byzantine elements. This eclectic mix was not just a stylistic choice, but a deliberate effort to reflect Hungary's diverse cultural and historical influences. Each element was meticulously planned to contribute to the overall grandeur of the structure. He envisioned a building that would not only house the nation's government, but also serve as a symbol of its rich history and cultural heritage. The Hungarian Parliament Building was to be a testament to the nation's resilience and its journey through centuries of change and turmoil. Tragically, Steindl's eyesight began to fail during the later stages of construction, and he would never witness the completion of his life's work. Despite this, he continued to oversee the project with the help of his dedicated team, ensuring that his vision was faithfully realized. He passed away in 1902, just 2 years before the Hungarian Parliament opened its doors, his legacy forever etched in the stone and steel of this magnificent edifice. Today, the building stands not only as a functional seat of government, but also as a lasting tribute to Steindl's genius and the rich tapestry of Hungarian history. The Hungarian Parliament Building is a testament to grand ambition, standing as the third largest parliament building in the world. Only Romania's Palace of the Parliament, a controversial edifice born from a different era, and the UK's Palace of Westminster, home to the historic Houses of Parliament, surpass it in sheer size. To truly grasp its scale, imagine standing at its base, your gaze drawn upwards towards the towering spires that seem to pierce the heavens. This is a building that commands attention, a symbol of national pride and architectural prowess. Occupying a sprawling 18,000 square meters on the banks of the Danube, the Hungarian Parliament Building is a city within a city. To put that into perspective, imagine 3 football fields laid end to end. That's the sheer scale of this architectural behemoth. Its footprint is a testament to the grand vision of its creators, a statement that this building was meant to be not just a seat of government, but a symbol of national pride and ambition. Within its walls, the Hungarian Parliament Building is a labyrinth of grandeur, boasting a staggering 691 rooms. Imagine walking its corridors, each turn revealing another marvel of craftsmanship and design. 29 staircases, each a work of art in itself, connect the building's many levels, while 10 courtyards offer glimpses of open sky and a moment of tranquility amidst the bustling activity. It's a testament to the meticulous planning and sheer artistry of its creators, a place where every detail, from the smallest mosaic tile to the grandest chandelier, speaks of an unwavering commitment to excellence. Look closely, and you'll notice a symphony of spires piercing the Budapest skyline. The Hungarian Parliament building boasts an astonishing 365 towers, each one a symbolic representation of the days in a year. This architectural marvel, therefore, stands as a testament to the passage of time, a reminder that even as governments change and history unfolds, the building itself remains a steadfast symbol of the nation. The construction of the Hungarian Parliament building was a monumental undertaking, requiring over 40 million bricks to bring its grand vision to life. Imagine the endless procession of carts laden with these humble building blocks, arriving day after day, year after year. Each brick, carefully laid by skilled hands, represents a small part of the immense effort and dedication that went into creating this architectural masterpiece. The architects of the Hungarian Parliament building, acutely aware of the vagaries of time and the ever-present threat of fire, incorporated innovative design features to ensure its longevity. Stone, metal, and glass, materials chosen for their durability and fire-resistant properties, feature prominently throughout the building. This forward-thinking approach to construction has ensured that the Hungarian Parliament building has stood the test of time, surviving wars, revolutions, and the relentless march of progress. It stands today as a testament to the enduring strength of its design and the foresight of its creators. Dominating the Budapest skyline, the dome of the Hungarian Parliament building is an architectural marvel in its own right. Reaching a height of 96 meters, it's no coincidence that this number holds deep historical significance for the Hungarian people. The year 896 marked the arrival of the Magyar tribes in the Carpathian Basin, an event considered to be the foundation of Hungary. The dome's height, therefore, is a symbolic nod to this pivotal moment in the nation's history, a constant reminder of the enduring legacy of the Magyar people. The number 96 is woven into the very fabric of the Hungarian Parliament building, a recurring motif that speaks to its deep-rooted connection to the nation's history. This number isn't just a random choice. It holds profound significance that resonates through the building's architecture and design. The dome, as we've seen, reaches a height of 96 meters, a symbolic nod to the year of Hungary's founding in 896. This height isn't merely a structural feature. It serves as a constant reminder of the nation's origins and its enduring legacy. But the significance of this number doesn't end there. The Grand Staircase, a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, features precisely 96 steps. Each step represents a year in the journey of Hungary's history, leading visitors on a symbolic ascent through the building and, metaphorically, through the nation's rich past. Even the diameter of the dome itself measures 96 feet, further reinforcing the importance of this number in the building's design. This deliberate repetition of the number 96 is a testament to the architect's desire to create a building that was not just aesthetically pleasing, but also deeply meaningful. The architect's vision was to embed the spirit of Hungary into every corner of the Parliament building. By incorporating the number 96 so prominently, the building becomes a living monument to the nation's history and identity. The Grand Staircase, with its 96 steps, is not just a path to the upper floors, but a journey through time, inviting visitors to reflect on the milestones that have shaped Hungary. The number 96, repeated in various elements of the building, serves as a constant reminder of the nation's founding and its enduring spirit. It is a tribute to the resilience and strength of the Hungarian people. This architectural choice ensures that every visitor, whether consciously or subconsciously, is reminded of the significance of the year 896 and the number 96. The Hungarian Parliament building stands as a testament to the nation's history, with the number 96 intricately woven into its very structure. This deliberate repetition of the number 96 is a testament to the architect's desire to create a building that was not just aesthetically pleasing, but also deeply meaningful, a lasting tribute to the spirit and resilience of the Hungarian people. The Hungarian Parliament building, with its intricate design and symbolic use of the number 96, stands as a proud emblem of the nation's enduring legacy and cultural heritage. As our journey through the Hungarian Parliament building draws to a close, we're left with a profound appreciation for the artistry, craftsmanship, and sheer ambition that brought this architectural masterpiece to life. More than just a building, it stands as a symbol of Hungary's enduring spirit, a testament to the power of human ingenuity, and a timeless reminder of the importance of preserving our shared cultural heritage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world's most iconic landmarks. See you in the next video.